in this video, I am going to show you how to access or log in Bluehost email. So let's see how we can do it. At first we need to visit bluehost.com and then from the top we are going to click on login. Now to log into our Bluehost dashboard, we need Bluehost username and password. So enter your Bluehost username and password and after that click on login. And this will take us to the Bluehost dashboard. Now to access our Bluehost email, from the left menu we are going to click on advanced. And here we will see email section and under it we are going to see email accounts. So we are going to click on it. And here you will see all the email accounts that you have created on Bluehost. Next to your email account you will see check email button. So we are going to click on it. And now we are in the inbox of our Bluehost email. You can also log into your Bluehost email without logging to your Bluehost dashboard. So let's see how we can do it. Go to bluehost.com again and then from the top click on login. Now instead of hosting login, just select webmail login. And after that, here you need to enter your Bluehost email and password and then click on login. And this will take you to the inbox of your Bluehost email. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.